friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Cat Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. Moving out from the center now for the eye, we're going to arch this up, tucking this around and in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now coming down for the pupil, we're going to arch this over and in on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's come down for the pupil again. We're going to arch this even further down now in towards the nose, replicating that across on the right. So just leaving that gap as we pull that in there. Let's add in a circle on the top for the highlight now. Let's color in the pupil black now. Now let's come down for the mustache. So leaving a gap from the eye, we're going to curve this over and out on the left and right hand side. From that edge now, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in. Now from that edge again, curving this over and through to the middle. And now lastly, we're just going to arch this around and up directly in the center. Let's come down underneath for the mouth. Let's draw in a nice big arch line. So we're going to curve this over and through. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve that in the opposite direction. Now for the eyebrows, let's step up above the eye. On each side, we're just going to curve this line over. And then on the inside again, arching that around, curving that across, connecting it to that point. Now let's come underneath for the chin. So leaving a gap here on the bottom of the mouth, we're just going to draw in another arch line. Now let's frame in the head. So for the left-hand side from the cheek here, we're going to curve this around. We're going to tuck that up to the middle. We're going to do the exact same thing over on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's continue to pull that in. So from that line, we're going to round this out, tucking that over and into the center of the head. And then we'll continue to arch this line across as we pull this around and down on the right. Now let's draw on the hair. So on the top, we're going to curve this in, tucking that back around and through to the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Let's move underneath one more time, just curving that over. Now let's move through framing in the rest of the head. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line across right in the middle. For the ears, we're just going to arch this up and over on each side. And then now from here, from that point, we're just going to tuck this back around and in. Just leaving an even amount of space on each side. We're going to come up from that line now. So coming up, following that arch, so leaving a gap, we're going to continue to curve this down, connecting that together. We'll line this up at the same height on the opposite side, replicating that. Let's frame in the inside of the ear. So from that point, we're just going to curve that over towards the side. And from that point, we're just going to tuck this back down and in towards the bottom. Now coming down on the left, we're going to curve this over and across. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to end that at the same height. From that point now, let's curve this line back in towards the middle. Again, moving under, we're going to curve this line back out. I'm just going to make this one smaller. Now from here, we're going to round this out into the side of the face, curving that into the chin. Let's move up from that point. We're just going to curve this into the side of the head, lining that up with the same height on the right hand side, curving that out to the opposite side. Let's move down for the arms now. So coming in towards the cheek, we're going to curve this around and in on the left. We'll do the exact same thing over on the right. We're just going to end that at the same height. Let's step up on a diagonal, curving this line through to the top, lining that up at the same height. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Right in the center here, we're going to draw on an arch line, connecting that together. Let's move down for the wrist. Leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this over, connecting that to the opposite side, tucking that down, replicating that on the right as well. Now for the hand underneath, we're going to step up, curving this over, pulling that back around and in the center, replicating that again, tucking that through. And then one more time for the top of the hand, curving that up and in. Let's do the exact same thing on the left. So stepping up, curving this around, tucking that back through. In the center, stepping through, curving that up. And now one last time, just arching this around, leaving a gap in the center, connecting that, continuing to curve that into the middle. Let's draw on the back feet now. So stepping up, we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking this around, and then back in towards the hand. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle, we're just going to curve this line across, closing that off on the bottom. Now in the center, stepping up, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Let's move up. We're going to round this out, tucking this down. And then we'll step across again, leaving a gap, replicating that. Now for the knee, we're going to tuck this around and in towards the arm in the front. Now for the tail behind, so stepping up, we're going to curve this in, around and over, and then dropping down again, curving this up, in and through to the side, ending that at the same height. We're just going to round the end of that tail out, so we're going to curve this over and through again to the top. And now let's draw in a zigzag pattern here. So we're just going to diagonal line, tucking that up and down as we come across, all the way over to the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Cat Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.